Hi, very good afternoon. My name is Muthamizhan from Radisson Blue Asia, Bangalore. I'm working as an executive sous chef. Today I will show you how to cook mint-infused steamed fish with the cherry tomato sauce. For that I'm going to use a quality New Zealand Southern Ocean cod fish. It can be any kind of fish you can use it, but I personally prefer the quality New Zealand fishes and meats. Being a chef, I really love this taste of quality New Zealand fish and meats. Let's go to the ingredients. Yes, these all ingredients we are going to. This is cherry tomatoes. This is regular cherry tomatoes we are going to be used now. If you want rich in taste, definitely you go for like heirloom cherry tomato. Easily you can get in a natural basket, big basket. Local asparagus I'm going to use now. Also you can get a lot of asparagus, lot of variety of asparagus like Peruvian asparagus, like Thai asparagus and white asparagus. So that kind of, all asparagus you can get it in like a natural basket and big basket and food all. Completely mashed.